Alright guys, Ford Lightning, matte black. This is from the factory. Do you guys think that Ford did a hit or miss? Comment down below. Let's take a look. Alright, again, same interior as the previous Platinum here. Same screen, power folding side steps, matte black rear end. Lightning. What do you guys think? Was it a hit or a miss on Ford's part with the Ford 2024 Ford Lightning? This is the only real subtle difference between the 23 Lightning and the 24 Lightning. Is this color right here? Comment down below. What do you guys think? Oh my god.